Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread casserole easy guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a 9x 13-inch pan. Mix cornmeal, flour, baking powder, sugar, eggs, milk, and melted butter until smooth. Fold in canned corn and creamed corn, then pour batter into the pan. Bake until golden and a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool slightly before serving warm with butter. This recipe serves 6 to 8 people and reheats well. Gather fresh ingredients and consider simple swaps to match your pantry or diet. Use buttermilk for extra tang or a non-dairy milk if needed. You can incorporate shredded cheese, chopped jalapenos, or cooked bacon for extra flavor and texture. Measure carefully and premix dry ingredients to ensure even rising. Stir until combined, but avoid overmixing to keep the casserole tender and moist when baked. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which is great for following recipes and relaxing while dinner bakes. I mention it because a good cookbook companion is always handy in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use a 9x 13-inch pan for even baking and aim for about 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees F, depending on your oven. Resist opening the oven frequently, which can drop temperature and affect rise. Rotate the pan halfway through if your oven heats unevenly. Allow the casserole to rest 5 to 10 minutes before slicing to help it hold shape and improve texture. Serve warm with butter or a drizzle of honey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.